Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel, YouTube account. So if you want to delete your YouTube account, then you need to go to your setting and here go to channel and then click on advanced settings and scroll down a little bit and here you can see manage YouTube account. Select this one and here click on advanced settings and click on delete channel. If you click on delete channel, then your channel will be deleted and it may take some time to delete your channel. If I click on this, so it's now want my password, so I give my password and click on next. So guys, that's why you can delete your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.